I don't like this game. This game is gay with a capital G. I'll give it that at most. You know what? It deserves to rot in hell. Die, game, die. You don't need to survive. Fucking game. I wonder how cool this game looks like that, though, huh? Let's find out. We're gonna, ooh, look at my mouse. Ooh, T-Games. Boom. We'll give it a quick go. We'll check out what it looks like in fucking ooh. Ooh, that looks fancy, don't it? Oh yeah. Oh man, this is cool. This is cool. Oh, the game is so much cooler like this. It's fucking amazing now. It's like I didn't make it up. What? Okay. Alright, so everybody just witnessed that shit. Did you guys... Alright. That was outrageous. I don't even know how that shit happened. That needs to... Oh my god. How did that even happen? How did that even happen?